Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. This is a file here, a folder called D. So what we're going to do today, we're just going to check if the folder has files in it or it doesn't have files in it. So we're going to check if it's empty or if it's not empty. So first of all, I'm just going to increase the font size a little bit here. We're going to create a scalar variable here called path, which is going to be the desktop path to my Windows computer. Okay, and this is the folder that I want to be checking, which is D on there. So this is the path on my computer. Yours will be different. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a subroutine here called empty folder. So this is the subroutine, and I'm going to create an array here called files. I'm going to assign it to the path. I'm going to do a .io input output .dir of the directory. And now what we're going to do is we're going to check if it's empty or if it's not empty. So we're going to go on to the conditional if statement. So if the files So if there's files in there, we're going to print this to the user using say. Okay, I'm going to just say folder is not empty. Or else, if that's not the case, we're going to print the user another message. Say folder is empty. Okay, now all we have to do is call the subroutine by its name. That's empty folder. Okay, save it and come down here into the terminal and run it from the terminal. So that's going to be Raku, and the name of the program here is test.raku. Let's hit enter. Okay, it said folder is not empty, so let's have a look at the folder, and of course it's not empty, so we're just going to take these out here. I'm just going to close it. Let's go back and run that program again. It's going to be Raku test.raku. Hit enter. Folder is empty. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? There's a button down there. It's called the subscribe button. It's red and white and it doesn't bite. Make sure you hit it and give it one of those, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.